This is my new Hexagon lighting grid. It's LED. This product was a gift. And I chose this because I'm building a new office and I wanted to be able to light it up. So I thought this would be a real unique way to light up my office. Now, it comes with basic instructions. So you're basically building this grid right here, and the T that ends the grid right here, or the Y piece, is where you plug in your little pigtail. Super simple to put together. The little plug-in is on the bottom, so when you connect it, you know you have the right side because it won't connect this way. It has to connect in this way. So LED strip is going to be really cool. It says total power output is 120 watts, which is pretty good for this size and the type of LED. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble it, and I'll put it on the floor. Show me kind of assembling it, and then we'll put it in my shop and test it out. Okay, so I put the light together and then I magnetized it to the roof with these little magnets. That's how it's hanging, so it's kind of suspended. It's a very unique solution to a unique light. Let's go ahead and see if we did it the right way. Wow, yes. Okay, super pumped. We now have lighting in here. Super excited. Yeah, obviously there's a little echo. This is a shipping container office. I'm gonna have to paint the walls, do some flooring, and some furniture, but lighting is done. This is definitely a great step. So now I can work in here with, whether it's day or night, I'll be able to be in here doing some work. Yeah, and I'm super happy with this. So if anybody needs a creative lighting solution, I'm definitely gonna point them in the way of this company.